OFM Sport.
Yeah, look, I think when I arrived here, or whatever, he was signed before I was involved here, so I never knew of him. I think Jooste has got the credentials to be a great centre for the Free State. En dan wat jy gesien het wat hy by Shimlas gedoen het daai 1 jaar, hy was baie goed geweest. So I think for us is to get him back to that stage where the confidence and the belief he had in himself, and the only way he's going to get it is by playing games. And luckily for us at this stage, he's been playing well, he's been training well, he looks like he's at a good space. So hopefully that can transfer to the weekend, and hopefully he can get more ball and have a couple of carries, and let's see what happens with the guy on that side. I don't want to be the guy on that side tackling Jooste. If he's coming at me, he's quite short and stocky. He's going to take some stopping. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what Jooste can do for this team.
The physicality of him is really good to go pound for pound against
Yeah.
their kind of guys.
Yeah, but you know Griffins, you go there and then hulle Karl Wegner, hy fly off. Dan duik hy almal kas toe. So going there is not going to be easy. We know that. I played there as well and we struggled there. So yeah, but if we stick to our stuff and everybody pitch up, we got our own standards that's set as well. So we need to do well this next 4 games. We're under pressure. We need to play well. We need to win well. And then for everything that's after that as well. So yeah.